Hey you guys, and what is up? So as you can see, we have something new here. I'm so excited. This is something very different for the Happy Planner, but definitely something that has been very requested, and it will be coming because it's here. This is so absolutely gorgeous. I love this so much. This is an 18-month planner in the vertical layout. This is basically the classic size, but in the twin loop. So this is what we have on this side. It does, on the cover, it's very similar to like, kind of like Stargazer style. Very pretty. Trust that your magic will guide you. So as you can see, that theme of the Stargazer. So let me remove this right here so we can jump into it. So good. I love the inside too, and I love the stars. I remember seeing these in one of these sticker books. So I remember those stars. So pretty. Look how cute. Okay, I'm gonna try to move this off to the side so it's not in our way. So good. Okay, I love this little hello page. Hello, this happy planner belongs to. Then you have your years and your year at a glance, which we're very used to seeing in our happy planners. You got your currently page. Oh, I love this divider. Just keep on dreaming. You got your monthly section. On the spine, there are some very light polka dots. Nothing too dark, so definitely you can decorate it however you want or not decorate it at all. And then you have your vertical layout, very neutral. So I'm not going to flip through each of the pages because they're the same, but we'll definitely look at the dividers. Ooh, that's so cute. You have August, September. Ooh, look at the moons. October. I'm pretty sure. Okay, so it does change. It alternates from polka dots to lines. And that is October, November. Unlock your magic or unlock your potential. So pretty. This really nice teal color. There's magic in every day. Then we have this again, but in a different style. Ooh, look at this. Show your magic to the world. March. I love that it's like that Stargazer vibe, but still with like vibrant colors. Because usually you're used to seeing Stargazer with like purples. So this is really nice and different. Grow your own way. Anything is possible. And this is the cover. So pretty. Oh, this is foiled. I love a good foil page. And this matches the inside of the cover. October. Ooh, this is pretty. November and December. And then usually on the back, you do have note paper. So that is so pretty. And it's very high quality. So we love a good high quality planner. This is really nice. I love it so much. I will leave all the details in the description box, letting you know where you can find them, or I'll add them to the screen. But this is absolutely gorgeous. So pretty. This is like so nice. I love this cover. I just love how vibrant it is. It does say follow the path to your happiness. And it has these really cute rainbows on the inside. And this is in the dashboard layout. I believe this is going to be very similar to the one that we just looked at, but let's still flip through it just to make sure. And this is a big, so this will be just like your average 8.5 by 11. Just keep on dreaming. I believe it's pretty much the same. Let me look. Yeah, so it is the same. I'll still flip through it with you just so you can see it. But yeah, it's the same. Then we have August. Just the same over here. September, also the same. October, yep, it's all the same. So it's gonna be exactly the same as your classic size. So you know what is on it. There's magic in every day. So pretty. Like I said, I just love the colors. I love that it's not your traditional, what we've seen from the Happy Planner, purple, teals, and blues. And that this is a lot brighter. So pretty. I almost missed September. And then we have the rainbows, which are on the inside of this cover. You're wildly capable of amazing things. Is that the same one that was over here? Did I like miss that? Yeah, it is. I totally missed that. Oh my gosh. But anyways, that is this planner. And then we have the notes and the back. So that is this planner. And that's the back of the cover. And again, very good and high quality. I will leave all the information on these planners on the description box down below, along with my affiliate link. If you're interested in purchasing any of these planners, definitely consider using my affiliate link. If you have any questions, definitely let me know, and I will talk to you all later. Bye.